Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Avner, and today we're going to learn about bubble sorting. Bubble sorting is like basic sorting, but the bubble sorting is faster than basic sorting. So we're not going to do the code today. I'm going to teach you the bubble sorting, but logic. So the logic, okay? Here is what we do. First of all, we're going to make a thing called list one. L oh, there. L1. Hope you guys see it. Okay, anyways, L1. Okay? Then we make a rectangle. This is rectangle at wait a minute. Gotta delete everything for a second. This goes away. Yes, this is where the rectangle is. We're gonna make a rectangle, and then I'll explain you in a bit. So this is gonna be our list one. List one. Here we have to make an unsorted list, raw. So 2, 1, 3, 0, 4, okay? 4, how do you say this? Exactly. 7, 6, 8, 8, then 10. Here. Now, first of all, bubble sorting is the bubble will go to the first number, which is 2. Now, 2. We're gonna put this list, the raw list, into ascending order. Ascending. So, what we're gonna do is, first of all, 2 and 1, they're not in ascending order, they're unsorted. We have to swap them. Okay, swap. So for swapping, there's a coding for swapping, which we'll do in our next video. So, but first of all, we gotta swap 2 and 1. Swap. So what do we do? Swap. Exactly. So if I use my erasers, okay, for the whiteboard, 1, okay, 1's gonna go here, but the bubble will still go on to 2. If number is already in ascending, if the two numbers are in ascending order, the bubble will go to the next number, like here. Here's how. I write 2, 2 still the bubble. Now 2 and 3 are fine, they're in ascending order, good. So now what we're gonna do is give this bubble to 3 now. So now it's gonna be on 3. Now the bubble. 3 and 0 aren't in ascending order, okay? But here's the problem. 1, 2, 0, and then 3. Here. Later on, we're gonna check it second time, then a third time, then so on, to make it actually until it's in a proper ascending order. 3 and 0, we gotta swap it. The bubble will still go to 3. 0. Here's gonna be 3. 3 and 4 are fine. Give the bubble to 4. Now 4 and 7 are fine. Give the bubble to 7. Right? This is how the logic works. And then, oh no, okay, good. And in the coding, this is how it really works. If you know the logic of bubble sorting, it's easy for you to do the coding. The coding's tough, okay? But if you know the logic, at least you get some things, okay? You first need to know the logic. And if you do, you know a little bit of the coding, at least some things. 7 and 6 aren't fine. Gotta erase 7 and the bubble. Okay. 6. Oh, 6. So 6, 7. Now the bubbles to 7. 7 and 8 are fine. Give the bubble to 8. Okay, okay. Now 8 and 10 are fine. So now what we have to do is, anyways, what I was talking about is now 8 and 10 are fine. So the bubble now goes to what, 10? But that's not it yet. Now we have to redo it again because it's not still in ascending order. But since we know 10 is the biggest number out of all the lists, we leave 10. We put a line. So now we're just going to check up to 8 now. For the first number has the bubble. What I mean, the bubble will go to the first number, basically. So it's gonna go to 1. Now 1 and 2 are fine. Pass the bubble on to 2, right? 2 and 0 aren't fine. So what we gotta do is erase 2 and put here 0. For 0, it's now gonna be 2. 2 and 3 are fine, right? So pass the bubble on. I was about to erase 2. Now 3 and 4 are fine. Pass the bubble on. Right? So what did I do? 4 and 6 are fine, so pass the bubble on. Right? 6 and 7 are fine, so pass the bubble on to 7. Now 7 and 8 are fine, so what do? Pass the bubble to 8, then give it back to 1. So we can just start from 1 again. Okay? Now, let's check. This is the third time, by the way. Count it. This is the third time. 1, the bubble goes to 1. 1 and 0 aren't fine, so switch. Oh, right? So switch. 0 is going to be here, and 1 will be here. Now, this is still in the bubble. 1 and 2 are fine. Pass the bubble on. 2 and 3 are good. Ascending order. Pass the bubble on. You know what I mean? 3 and 4 are fine. In ascending order. In ascending order. Sorry, it's just my throat. Pass the bubble on. Right? Then 4 and 6 are fine. Pass the bubble on. 6 and 7 are fine. Pass the bubble to 7. Right? So that's it. Meaning. Oh, I forgot to put the line here. My bad, because we already know 8. Meaning now that this means we have a sorted list, ascending order list. So here's the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10. Ascending order. Okay, this is how the logic works. If you at least know the logic, how to do this, then you know a little bit of the coding, okay? You first need to understand the logic of the question, then you can actually do the code. So thank everyone for listening about my video about bubble sorting and the logic of it. We'll do the video probably next week, I don't know. But I hope you like it, and bye.